Hello everyone, this is Judy from MAXIZM Construction Machinery in Qingdao. Today we are at the warehouse of Qingdao ports. We are going to ship our LOVOL excavator to our customers. Okay, let's see. This model is a LOVOL 24 tonnage. The excavator is a middle-sized excavator. Its operating weight is 24,000 kilograms. Its bucket size is 1.2 cubic meters. Okay, let's see the engine. This WE245E2 models has equipped with the famous engine, WEICHAI engine. Let's see. This engine rated power is 155 kilograms. This engine has high power, high working efficiency, and low fuel consumption, which improves the working efficiency for the operator and apply for various working conditions. Let's see the cabin. The cabin has largest spacious vision and ergonomic design. Let's see the pilot control. It improves the operating comfort, and this is a display screen. And this high power air conditioning which provides the operator away from cold and hot weather. This is the weightless bonus is 5.7 meters. Its arm length is 2.9 meters. Let's see the hydraulic system. This hydraulic system has Kawasaki manpump and manvalve. You can see its track wise is 600 millimeters. Okay, that's all. If you are interested in this model, you can contact me for more details. That's for your watching. See you next time.